Tired of weak sound, distorted audio, or speakers that just don't live up to the hype? Whether you're hosting a party, relaxing at home, traveling, or enjoying the outdoors, the right Bluetooth speaker can completely transform your listening experience. But with so many options available, finding the perfect one isn't as easy as it seems. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best Bluetooth speakers that deliver powerful sound, deep bass, long battery life, and exceptional value for your money. We'll compare audio quality, volume, battery performance, durability, waterproof ratings, smart features, and overall performance to help you choose the perfect speaker for your lifestyle. Whether you're an audiophile, an outdoor adventurer, or someone who simply loves great music, there's a Bluetooth speaker on this list that's perfect for you. Be sure to watch until the end because our #1 pick delivers the ultimate combination of sound quality, portability, and battery life, and it might not be the one you expect. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and buying options. Now turn up the volume and let's get started. Number 1. JBL Charge 6. The JBL Charge 6 is a premium portable Bluetooth speaker that combines powerful audio performance, rugged durability, and exceptional battery life into one travel-friendly package. Designed for parties, outdoor adventures, travel, and everyday listening, it delivers JBL's signature pro sound with deeper bass, crisper vocals, and smarter audio optimization through the new AI Sound Boost technology. Equipped with a 45-watt output, IP68 waterproof, dustproof, and drop-proof protection, and an impressive up to 28 hours of playtime, the Charge 6 is built to perform almost anywhere. It also features Auracast multi-speaker connectivity, allowing you to pair multiple compatible JBL speakers for a much larger soundstage. The built-in power bank lets you charge your smartphone while your music keeps playing, making it one of the most versatile portable speakers available. Pros: powerful JBL Pro sound with AI Sound Boost, deep bass and crisp, detailed audio, up to 28 hours of battery life with Playtime Boost, IP68 waterproof, dustproof, and drop-proof design, built-in power bank for charging mobile devices, Auracast support for multi-speaker pairing, durable, removable carrying strap included, premium build quality with rugged construction. Cons: USB-C charging cable is not included. No built-in voice assistant support. Slightly heavier than ultra-portable Bluetooth speakers. Final verdict: the JBL Charge 6 is one of the best portable Bluetooth speakers you can buy. With outstanding sound quality, industry-leading durability, long battery life, and convenient features like a built-in power bank and Auracast connectivity, it's an excellent choice for home use, outdoor adventures, beach trips, camping, and parties. If you're looking for a powerful all-around portable speaker that delivers premium performance, the JBL Charge 6 is a top-tier option. Number 2. Marshall Acton III. The Marshall Acton III is a premium Bluetooth home speaker that blends iconic vintage styling with powerful room-filling sound. As the most compact speaker in Marshall's home lineup, it delivers rich stereo audio, deep bass, and crisp highs, making it an excellent choice for music lovers who want both outstanding sound quality and timeless design. Powered by a 60-watt amplifier system, the Acton III features an upgraded acoustic design that creates a wider stereo stage than its predecessor. Bluetooth 5.2 ensures fast, stable wireless connectivity, and the 3.5mm AUX input allows easy wired connections. Physical bass and treble controls let you tune the sound to match your personal listening preferences, and its premium cabinet looks great in any living room, office, or bedroom. Pros: powerful room-filling Marshall signature sound, wider stereo stage than previous generation, premium vintage-inspired design, Bluetooth 5.2 for reliable wireless streaming, dedicated bass and treble control knobs, easy plug-and-play setup, 3.5mm AUX input for wired devices, built with recycled and vegan-friendly materials. Cons: requires AC power, not portable. No built-in battery. Not waterproof or weather-resistant. Final verdict: the Marshall Acton III is one of the best compact home Bluetooth speakers for anyone who values premium sound, classic styling, and simple operation. Its powerful stereo performance, customizable audio controls, and iconic Marshall design make it an outstanding choice for home entertainment, whether you're streaming music, watching movies, or simply enjoying your favorite playlists. Number 3. Bose SoundLink Flex, 2nd generation. The Bose SoundLink Flex 2nd generation is a premium portable Bluetooth speaker designed for outdoor adventures, travel, and everyday listening. Despite its compact size, it delivers rich, high-fidelity sound with impressive bass and crystal-clear vocals, making it one of the best portable speakers in its class. Built with IP67 waterproof and dustproof protection, the Flex is ready for the beach, hiking, camping, pool parties, and any outdoor activity. Bose's exclusive Position IQ technology automatically detects the speaker's orientation and optimizes the audio for the best possible performance, whether it's standing upright, lying flat, or hanging from its utility loop. With Bluetooth 5.3, multi-point pairing, and up to 12 hours of battery life, it offers reliable wireless performance throughout the day. Pros: rich, balanced Bose hi-fi sound with deep bass and compact design. Compact, lightweight, and highly portable. IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating. Durable silicone exterior resists drops and shocks. Position IQ automatically optimizes sound orientation. Up to 12 hours of battery life. Bluetooth 5.3 with multi-point device pairing. Stereo and party mode with compatible Bose speakers. Cons: no built-in power bank for charging devices. Battery life is shorter than some larger competitors. Premium price compared to similar-sized speakers. Final verdict: the Bose SoundLink Flex 2nd generation is an outstanding portable Bluetooth speaker that combines premium sound quality, durability, and excellent portability. Whether you're relaxing by the pool, camping, hiking, or simply enjoying music at home, it delivers impressive audio performance in a compact package. For anyone seeking one of the best portable speakers for travel and outdoor use, the Flex 2nd generation is an excellent investment.
Number 4. JBL Flip 7. The JBL Flip 7 is a rugged, portable Bluetooth speaker that delivers bigger sound, smarter audio processing, and improved durability while maintaining the compact design that made the Flip series so popular. Featuring JBL Pro sound with the new AI Sound Boost technology, it produces deeper bass, clearer vocals, and less distortion, making it perfect for travel, outdoor adventures, parties, and everyday listening. With an IP68 waterproof, dustproof, and drop-proof design, the Flip 7 is built to withstand harsh environments, while 16 hours of battery life keeps the music going all day. New features like AuraCast multi-speaker connectivity, lossless USB-C audio playback, and the push-lock interchangeable carrying system make it one of the most versatile portable speakers in its category. Pros: powerful JBL Pro sound with AI Sound Boost, deep bass and crisp, detailed audio, up to 16 hours of battery life with playtime boost, IP68 waterproof, dustproof, and drop-proof design, AuraCast support for stereo pairing and multi-speaker playback, lossless USB-C wired audio support, push-lock interchangeable carrying accessories included, portable app with customizable EQ settings, built using recycled materials. Cons: USB-C charging cable not included, no built-in power bank for charging other devices. Lossless audio requires a compatible USB-C source. Final verdict: the JBL Flip 7 is one of the best compact Bluetooth speakers available, offering outstanding sound quality, exceptional durability, and useful new features without increasing its size. Whether you're heading to the beach, camping, traveling, or hosting a backyard party, the Flip 7 delivers premium portable audio that's built to handle almost any environment. Number 5. VUOPAX Portable Bluetooth Speaker. The VUOPAX Portable Bluetooth Speaker is a powerful outdoor speaker designed for parties, camping, beach trips, garages, and large gatherings. With a massive 200-watt peak output, 60 watts RMS, dual woofers, dual tweeters, and dedicated bass boost technology, it delivers loud, energetic sound with impressive low-end performance while remaining portable enough for outdoor adventures. Colorful RGB lighting and true wireless stereo pairing further enhance the entertainment experience. Pros: powerful 200-watt peak sound output, 60 watts RMS. Deep bass boost with dedicated one-touch button. Large 12,000 mAh battery with up to 24 hours of playtime. Bluetooth 5.4 for fast and stable wireless connectivity. IP65 water and dust-resistant design. Supports TWS stereo pairing with a second speaker. USB, AUX, and TF card playback options. RGB lighting adds party atmosphere. Includes carrying strap, USB-C cable, and AUX cable. Cons: IP65 is water-resistant, not fully waterproof for submersion. Larger and heavier than compact portable speakers. No built-in power bank for charging external devices. Final verdict: the VUOPAX portable Bluetooth speaker is an excellent choice for anyone looking for loud, bass-heavy sound at an affordable price. Its powerful audio performance, long battery life, rugged outdoor design, and multiple connectivity options make it ideal for parties, camping, workshops, garages, backyard events, and outdoor adventures. If maximum volume and deep bass are your priorities, this speaker delivers outstanding value.